Welcome back to Lottie and Wyn. If you haven't checked out our last episode, the link is in the description below. Check out, guys! Hey, hey, hey! Check out this sunset! Woo! We love everything about this place because it's so lovely and neatly placed.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation.
Hola! Welcome back to our channel. For all those who are new, I am Lottie.
And I am Wyn.
We are excited, people.
Very excited.
We found this lovely, amazing, oh my goodness, hidden gem here in Mérida that we have to show you guys.
Yes, we have
this
to show
Airbnb is muy bonito. Ay, mami, ay, papi. So wait, you guys, join us and tell us what you think. So here goes, have a look at this. Whoa. So before we go out and show you what's out there, we're going to start with this lovely, amazing hub toilet, right? Guest toilet, I would call it. It's absolutely modern, very chic, very, oh my goodness. They've got lovely plants. When did you ever see plants in the toilet? And look at this, everything is branded, right? Everything is absolutely branded. The place is called Villa Taquisa, and everything you touch has got that lovely, hi guys, touch. And I'm telling you, everything is just beautifully done.
Absolutely, check it all out.
And here we go. Here we enter the main living space, which is living room, dining, and also the kitchen. So, like we said, have a look at this lovely, amazing view. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. We can't wait to take you out to the beach. I love this floating beds. Right here, they're really cute swings, to say the least. Always waiting to do some lovely reading there. Look at this lovely dining table, seats up to 6 people, which is amazing. That sofa, we've tried it, as you can tell from the pillows, very, very comfortable. Wouldn't you say that, babe? And oh my God, this lovely telly. We can't wait. We're listening to some music right here, chilling. Yeah, let me just quickly show you the kitchen. So they've got every amenity you want. They've got a microwave, they've got a fridge, you've got a cooker with an oven, which is really rare to find in Mexico, which comes in quite handy because I love baking and I love using the oven.
Got an air fryer too?
You got an air fryer, guys. Let's have a look. Forgot about that. Got an air fryer and a blender. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. So they give you towels, which is amazing. Beach towels are right there. And as you go out here, can you guys hear the ocean? Oh my goodness, because Wynn's about to wait here and have a little
Dip in the pool.
have a dip in the pool. Can you say Villa Taquista? Everything's really lovely branded. We are looking forward to chilling right here. We're looking forward to literally just chilling by that. Let's take you down quickly to the beach. So we're looking forward to this amazing trail that we saw here. So this is part of the villa. Got a lovely hammock, got lovely seats. This is all part of the villa. Comes together with the villa, and for those who've got a little kiddie one, you've got a little mini kiddie swing right there. Amazing. Let's go to the beach, people. Absolutely loving this lovely private beach you get with this villa. It's absolutely gorgeous. We are looking forward to showing you definitely the main bedrooms. But guys, take a look at this. This is amazing. We can't wait for the sunset here. I'm sure it's going to be amazing, amazing, amazing sunsets. But check this out. So we're heading back right here. Got a lovely pool dip. Have a little dip here. Looking forward to having a little dip. Got a barbecue area for those who love barbecuing. Amazing space here for your drinks and bar to entertain. But yeah, this is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. So now let's take you back in to the main bedrooms, right? These lovely stairs. I love the way they get lit up, especially for the night. So let's have a look. Got lovely surprises up here. This is lovely, guys. Look at the ceiling. It's got all the way up there. It's quite a high ceiling, which is quite nice, especially because Mérida is quite hot. So first bedroom here. We got bedroom 1, and it's got its own telly. And for those who love a good boost for internet as well, and it's got ensuite with shower and toilet. And like we said, everything is Villa Taquista. It comes with this lovely storage space which is inbuilt, which we found quite amazingly handy. We love this dream catchers on the way there.
Yes, in case you guys dreaming here at night.
Bedroom number 2.
Yes.
Again, high ceiling, guys. You got fans, you got your AC, but very high ceilings, which we find quite amazing. It's actually important because it's quite warm.
Got your bathroom over here.
Got your bathroom, ensuite again, shower. Let's just have a look at quick. You got your rainfall shower, very chic, very modern. Like we say, all the towels are branded Villa Tequisa. So you feel like you're in a luxury hotel, literally. You're on luxury hotel. Again, very lovely, inbuilt, solid storage space, plenty of storage space. Hey, let's take you in to the master bedroom, which has an amazing view. But before we get to the view, we need to show you the bathroom as well, which is amazing.
Bathroom number 3.
This is the main principal bathroom, which is amazingly built and sweet, just like the other ones. Rain shower, branded towels, and we've got a lovely storage space here to hang and also to keep your things. Really nicely made. I just love the way they just made it very luxury, and I love this chicum finish on the walls.
It's very nice.
Very nice. And here we go, guys. This is the view, $1 million worth. That's the master bedroom. Again, it's a king size bed, which is what you like. AC, fan, got telly, and this amazing view of the Caribbean. It is just gorgeous, guys. Amazingly gorgeous. Just looking forward to waking up to just that view. Is going to be brilliantly amazing.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like, again, your own private beach, guys. Your own private beach. So guys, tell us what you think.
Please tell us what you think. Lovely Airbnb we found. Little hidden gem, I might say.
Hidden gem indeed, people. We've got the link in the description below. We're going to share everything, all the details that you need. But tell us, would you stay here and guess the price for it first, right? Hit the notification bell on. That way, every time we post, you're the first one to get it.
Right.
Right?
Straight to your phone.
Straight to your phone, basically. Thank you so much again for joining our channel.
Thank you for joining us.
We appreciate all the support.
Yes.
Do press that button right down there that says, you know what, give us a little penny to buy myself a cup of tea.
Cup of coffee.
For Wyn. Lovely. We appreciate all the support for our channel and a growing lava million. Oh, bless. So join us again.
Yes.
Peace out.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.
Peace out. And as you enter, the first thing you get to embark with is this lovely half toilet. Bloody hell.